In Iowa, your name and your reputation are what people care about. Always do the right thing, no matter the reward or the cost. And that is something that we've lived by from day one.
We believe that just because somebody is where they are today, that does not mean that is who they are or where they'll be. And so to see that we could wrap passion for that around an industry, it was like an answered prayer.
My Credit Guy is a credit restoration company that is focused on helping people get into homes.
So it really is our goal here to not only help get our clients into that home to better their credit, but we also want to empower them with education.
This is something you don't learn in school. You know, I get that a lot. Parents don't teach you about credit. My teachers never taught me about credit.
We've all been in that position where, something happens. It could be anything from, loss of a parent, divorce, medical issue comes up, but yet it still goes on your credit.
I can put myself into their shoes because I've had to go through this experience myself, and here I am closing on my own first home. So I just know the excitement that they're feeling because it's the excitement I'm feeling as well.
I actually had a life-changing event that happened to me a couple years ago, and to know what it's like to go through something like that and come out on the other side makes it so much easier to talk to people and say, I've been there, I get it.
So there's always usually a really great reason somebody fell on something that they really didn't predict was going to happen. So it's just getting that knowledge to recover from that and what to do moving forward and the steps to take to move forward.
These people are your neighbor, your cousin, your brother-in-law down the street. So if we can show them the path and show them that there's just steps that need to happen, and if you follow along with us, you can get there, that's usually such a refreshing conversation.
If we get to help somebody break through a barrier that maybe they didn't think they could before, hopefully that applies to other things in their life.
The one thing I love about this company is how caring everyone is. We want to see them succeed. That's what we want, and we want to do it as quickly as we can.
Seeing the happiness in people when you get them into their home loan is definitely by far the best. Just knowing that they have a new outlook on life as well, like they are in a better position.
If we make this change, if we help people understand it, and they're an influence within their community, I think there's generational changes that happen there.
I've always been a fan of comeback stories. And so it wasn't just that we could help people, is that we could change their lives.
It's such a roller coaster because when they start with us, they're down on their luck. But by the end, watching that client succeed and how happy they are, I've been doing this for a long time and that never has gotten old to me.